Welcome to my next video on invoice verification in SAP MM. In my previous video, we had learnt about the overview of GRIR account maintenance. Now we will go to the next section of this GRIR account maintenance, where we will do one exercise on GRIR account maintenance. So let us go to the exercise sheet here. This is our exercise. We want to clear the GRIR clearing account for ordering transactions for a test vendor 500045. So, select all uncleared purchase order items for vendor 500045 whose purchase order date is between 1st January of previous year and today. Enter today's date as the key date for the last moment. Do not restrict the amount of the quantity or value variance. First, prepare just a list of the purchase order for which there are any differences between the GR and IR quantity. Now the transaction code to clear the GRIR clearing account is MR11 and the path is Logistics Materials Management, Logistics Invoice Verification, GRIR account maintenance, maintain GRIR clearing account. Let me go to SAP here. Already I am in SAP screen. This is the path. Logistics Materials Management, Logistics Invoice Verification, GRIR account maintenance and maintain GRIR clearing account. Just go to MR11. Input the data here as per here. So here today's date as the key date for the last moment. Today's date as the key date for the last moment, that is here. Last moment before today, this is today's date. And here company code is 1111. Posting date, let it be, no problem. And here put the vendor, this is important. Our test vendor is 500045 and the date is from 1st January previous year, 1st January 2019 to today's date, or even we can make it as 2021, no issue, 2020 also. And here, so quantity variance or value variance, just don't put anything here. Don't put anything. And here in the processing, just select the radio button, prepare list, because we just want to display the list of the purchase orders for which there are differences between GR and IR. If you select this automatic clearance, system will automatically post the differences between the GR and IR. Don't select this one, this button, automatic clearance. Just select prepare list, so that the system will just display the list of the purchase orders for vendor 500045 for which there are differences between GR and IR. Now click execute. So now the system has displayed the list of the purchase orders for which there is a difference between the GR and IR. We can see here the quantity invoice, and that is the difference quantity. We can see here quantity received. This is the quantity received and quantity invoice and the difference quantity. We can see here. So these are the three important columns here. So now these are the purchase orders. So many POs for which there is a difference between GR and IR. Okay. Now next, this is done. So the system shows a list of the PO items where the GRIR clearing accounts contain a difference. So this is done. Go to the second problem. Select purchase order. This is some test PO 4500018064 from the list and display it. Go to the PO history and analyze why the GRIR clearing account contains a difference. So what we can do, we can just select the purchase order and go to the display purchase order. And just what we can do here in this screen, this is the PO number. Select this PO 4500018064 and display the details of this purchase order. This is my purchase order. This is the last one. This is the latest PO 4500018064 from the list and click display purchase order. The system will display the PO. So here in the purchase order history tab page, we can see that the GR quantity is 9 pieces, but invoice quantity is 10 pieces. So there is a difference of 1 piece between the GR quantity and IR quantity. Okay, that is done. So now we have to post this difference. We have to see the difference, that is what is the difference between the GR and IR quantity, and we have to know post this difference actually. So what we can do, so here go back, now we are back in the maintain GR IR clearing account. Now we will post this difference between the GR and IR. Okay, so because just now we had seen this one, right? I will show you again this one. There is a difference of 1 piece. GR is for 9 pieces, invoice is for 10 pieces. Now the management has decided to settle this difference between this GR and IR by GRIR account maintenance manually, manual account maintenance. Now after you select this one, click the post button, post. Now system will post the difference between the GR and IR and display the account maintenance document. And from the account maintenance document, we can go to the accounting document and also see the accounting entries. And also this account maintenance document will also be updated as a separate document in the purchase order history. Once this account maintenance document is posted and displayed, let us go to the purchase order and go to the PO history again and see this account maintenance document, which will be listed as a separate document. Yeah, it has posted. This is the account maintenance document 5800000053. So we will just note down this document number here. Okay, click post. The system post a document that clears the GRIR clearing. This is our document number 5800000053. 586053. This is our GRIR clearing account document. Okay, next. Display the account maintenance document, which accounts were posted to which accounts. To go to the account maintenance document, we can follow this path: logistics, materials management, logistics invoice verification, GRIR account maintenance, display cancel account maintenance document, and the transaction code is MR11 show. So let us go to another screen here. So here we will go to this transaction code here in the same path, MR11 show. Just double click here and system will automatically display the just now posted document 5800000053 and year is 2020. Just now we have seen this document, right? 53. So now just press enter, system will display this document number. This is the document number, account maintenance document number. And here go to the display the document, choose following documents and double click on the number of the accounting document here. From the account maintenance document, from the GRIR account maintenance document, go to the accounting document for this one. Just click on following documents and double click on the accounting document. So these are the accounting entries. So 100 rupees is updated to the GRIR account and 100 rupees is updated to the stock account, inventory raw material, which is the stock account. Next, so for a material with moving average price with a stock coverage, the offsetting posting for the GRIR clearing account is made to the stock account. For a material with standard price, the offsetting posting is made to the price difference account. Here, in our example, the offsetting entry is made to the stock account. That is, the offsetting posting for the GRIR clearing account is made to the stock account. Here, just now I have shown you here. This is made to the stock account. Why? Because the material here in our purchase order or in our test purchase order is valuated at moving average price. We can see that one. Let us go back. I will show that one here. We can go to this. This is our purchase order, right? So here, this is purchase order 4500018064. So we can just double click here on this material and go to the accounting one view. We can see this material is valuated at moving average price. So hence the offsetting posting is posting for the GRIR clearing account is made to the stock account. Just now I have shown you. Go back and close the list of the documents in the accounting dialog box. Just here, this one, close the, okay, back, just to back. Okay, now display the PO history. Does the system list the account maintenance document in the purchase order history? So what we will do here in the maintain GRAR clearing account, what we will do, we will go back here and we can go to the PO again from here. We cannot go from there. What we will do, we will go to the PO here. This one. This is our PO 4500018064. Just click display change and go to the purchase order history. Now here we can see this account maintenance document is updated as separate document in the purchase order history. This is the account maintenance document just now we have posted, right? This is the number, right? 5800000053. So display the PO history. Does the system list the account maintenance document in the purchase order history? Yes. In the item detail, choose the purchase order history tab. Account maintenance is listed as a separate transaction in the purchase order history. So here we can see here this account maintenance document is updated as a separate document in the purchase order history. Even we can go to this account maintenance document here again and go to the following documents and go to the accounting document of the GRIR account maintenance document. So we are in the purchase order history, and in the purchase order history we have seen that this GRIR account maintenance document is updated as a separate document. So this is an exercise on how to clear the GRIR clearing account for a purchase order in which there is a difference between GR quantity and IR quantity manually. So this is a how to manually clear the GRIR clearing account. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please give me your valuable comments, likes, and please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos on several scenarios on MM. Thanks for your time and see you in my next video.